Have you ever looked at your bank balance at the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? You're not buying luxury items or going on shopping sprees, yet your savings seem to disappear. The truth is, it's often the small daily habits and hidden costs that slowly drain your wallet. In this video, we're breaking down 10 common ways people waste money without even realizing it, and more importantly, how to fix them. If you stick around to the end, I'll share a bonus tip that can instantly help you keep more money in your pocket each month. Let's start with a silent money drain. Unused subscriptions. Most of us sign up for free trials and forget to cancel. Others keep paying for services like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, fitness apps, or digital news outlets even when we rarely use them. Go through your bank statement or app store subscriptions, and you'll probably find charges you didn't even remember. Cancel everything you don't use at least once a week. An average person can save between $20 to $100 every month just by eliminating these. Next up is daily coffee purchases. While $3 or $4 might seem small, if you're grabbing a latte 5 times a week, that's over $60 per month or $720 per year. Instead, invest in a good coffee maker or French press. You'll still get your caffeine fix, but at a fraction of the cost. Bonus: you can customize your drink exactly the way you like it and avoid long lines at coffee shops. Another big one is bottled water. Many people buy bottled water out of habit, convenience, or because they think it's safer. But here is the truth. Tap water in most areas is safe and can be improved with a $20 filter pitcher. Buying bottled water every day can cost $1, $2 daily, which adds up to $365, $700 a year. Get a reusable bottle and keep it filled. You'll save money and help reduce plastic waste. Let's talk about impulse buying. This is a habit that has grown worse with online shopping and social media ads. You see a flash sale, or someone you follow recommends a must-have item, and you buy it on the spot. These unplanned purchases might only cost $10 to $20 each, but if you do it a few times a week, that's hundreds wasted each month. To break the habit, follow the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything unplanned. If you still want it after 24 hours, go ahead. But most of the time, you'll forget about it and save the money. Another common area of overspending is eating out too often. Takeout and dining in are convenient but pricey. Cooking at home can cut your food spending by 30% or more, and it's healthier too. You don't need to be a gourmet chef. Start with simple meals, use leftovers wisely, and plan your grocery list around affordable, versatile ingredients. You'll notice your wallet getting heavier and your health improving too. Then there's brand name loyalty, whether it's toothpaste, cereal, medication, or clothing. Many people automatically reach for popular brands, even when the store brand version is just as good. Most generic products are made in the same factories as the name brands. The only real difference is the packaging and the price. Try switching 1 or 2 items each grocery trip. You'll save without sacrificing quality. Bank fees are another area where people unknowingly waste money. Maintenance fees, overdraft charges, and ATM withdrawal fees might seem small, but they add up quickly. You might be paying $10 to $30 per month for just having a checking account. Look for banks or credit unions that offer no-fee accounts. Also, set up low balance alerts so you can avoid costly overdraft penalties. Now let's talk about extended warranties. When buying electronics, furniture, or appliances, the salesperson often tries to convince you to pay extra for extended coverage. But these warranties usually overlap with the manufacturer's warranty and are rarely worth the cost. Instead, use that money to build an emergency fund so you're recovered for unexpected expenses. Without paying extra up front, food waste is another sneaky way we waste money. Have you ever thrown out moldy strawberries, wilted lettuce, or expired leftovers? You're not alone. A U.S. household wastes about $1,500 worth of food each year on average. To avoid this, make a weekly meal plan, use a shopping list, and store food properly. Get creative with leftovers or freeze items you can't use right away. Finally, the biggest money-wasting mistake of all is not having a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, it's impossible to control it. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. Apps like Mint, Y, Nab, or even Excel sheets can track your income and expenses. Create spending categories, set savings goals, and track every dollar. It may take a little effort at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel empowered and in control. And here's your bonus tip. Set up automatic transfers to savings. As soon as you get paid, move a set amount into a separate savings account. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left, chances are you'll save nothing. Paying yourself first is one of the most powerful habits you can develop for long-term financial success. So, how many of these money-wasting habits are you guilty of? Don't worry, we've all been there. The key is recognizing these patterns and making small changes. Over time, those changes can lead to hundreds or even thousands of dollars in savings each year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mauuak Saving Tips, and share it with someone who's trying to get better with money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.